The blue one, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta up change the nozzle.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I know what about the FPS. You can just let dry firing for the first round, right?
Ready?
So just gonna cap it in here.
Well, at least get up to the pretty. I don't want to walk
5
in the
minutes
corner.
recycle.
The keel is keel.
Two guys on the left side by the school bus.
Two guys left side by the school bus. Two guys left by the school bus.
Two guys are out over there, so move on that building. The guys are there are out, so you can move up over there. Let's go.
Yeah, building, green building.
What's the left? The left!
Green building. Green building. Green building. Big one. Hey, call him. I'm gonna by him.
Left side, school bus.
Watch out! Duh.
Yep. Building right side.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. What is that?
Sorry. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Oh shit.
Just hit him once and then let him go before you.
Yeah. I didn't see.
Hey, let him out there.
Fuck. Oh. No.
Oh, his magazine.
Fuck, I just lost so much BBs, bro.
They're back there behind the black barrel.
You wanna move up to the barrel?
I'm gonna go up. Ready?
Okay, go. Same guy again. Okay, move up, move up. Okay, behind you.
See me anywhere?
No,
Behind you, right behind you.
go left, go left. What is that? Surrender!
On your right, bro.
Hey, surrender, surrender!
He's out.
That game, that game?
Team shooting at you.
I don't know.
Shooting at you.
Yeah!
Good job, guys.
That was a rush.
Good job. Good job, bro.